Hey guys, Theresa here. Have you ever wondered how you can rename your own music on TikTok? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Open up your TikTok account. I'm going to show you an example here from my account. So this one's actually not my own music, but I'm just going to show you as an example as to how you can change the name of the sound that you used. So I've uploaded this video here, the product photography one. As you can see here, it says at the bottom there, Theresa Lee original sound, and it's got that record label spinning, and I can tap into that. Where it says original sound, that's where I can change it. So this is where you can change the title of the sound or song. So if you're a musician and you want to add your name and your soundtrack name on there, you can do so. Be mindful that you can only change it once, so make sure there's no spelling errors or anything like that. And also by adding your name on there, it's actually Google searchable as well. Don't know how that works, but apparently that's the case. Well, this is not my original song or anything like that, so I'm not going to change the name of it. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So once a month, I would like to speak to one of you guys over the phone or through Zoom about social media, like a one-on-one consultation type of thing. And it will give you an opportunity to ask me any questions that you have relating to social media. So it could be Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube also. All you need to do is put down in the comment section a sunny emoji, and once a month I will pick out a name and I will contact you and we can chit chat about social media. Yeah, if you enjoy these types of video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. It really help out my channel. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.